Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable Bluetooth on your Chromebook device. So Bluetooth might not be working for whatever reason, you just want to turn it on. In today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu or the launcher icon, and then select Settings. On the left side, select Bluetooth, and where it says Bluetooth off, go ahead and just toggle this to the on position to turn that on. And then if any devices are connected, they should appear down here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.